I want you to think about something. Last night, right before you fell asleep, what was the last thing on your mind? Was it a problem you couldn't solve? A conversation that bothered you? Something you're worried about tomorrow? Because here's what's actually happening while you sleep. Your brain is not resting. It is working. And whatever thought you gave it last, that's exactly what it's working on. All night, for 6 to 8 hours. So if your last thought was stress, your brain spent the night processing stress. If your last thought was worry, your brain spent the night deepening that worry. And when your alarm goes off, you're not waking up fresh. You're waking up from 6 hours of processing the exact same thing that kept you awake. That's why some mornings feel impossible before they even begin. That's why you wake up already behind, already heavy, already tired of a day that hasn't even started. And the fix is not a morning routine. It's not meditation. It's not a journal. It's 10 seconds. The right 10 seconds. Right before sleep. Tonight, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. But listen carefully, because most people do this wrong. And when you do it wrong, it does nothing. Let's go. The truth. Here's something neuroscience has confirmed, but almost no one talks about. Your brain is at its most receptive in the final moments before sleep. During the day, your conscious mind filters everything. It questions, it evaluates, it protects. But right before sleep, that filter starts shutting down. Your conscious mind goes quiet, and your subconscious opens completely. Whatever thought enters in that window gets accepted without resistance. No filter, no questioning, straight in. Like a final command typed into a computer before it runs overnight. Your brain receives that instruction and spends the next 6 to 8 hours processing it, strengthening it, wiring it into your emotional patterns. This is why two people can have the exact same day, same problems, same stress, same life, and one wakes up feeling okay. The other wakes up already crushed. The difference? What happened in the last 10 seconds before sleep? The problem. Think about your typical night. Phone in hand, scrolling through content that has nothing to do with your real life. Replaying something that was said earlier. Running through your mental list of problems. Worrying about tomorrow before today is even finished. And then, mid-scroll, you fall asleep. That last feeling? Anxiety, comparison, stress. That becomes your brain's overnight instruction. And your brain executes it perfectly. Every single night. So when your alarm goes off, you're not beginning fresh. You're continuing exactly where the stress left off. That is why mornings feel heavy before they start. That is why motivation disappears before you've even moved. You handed your brain the wrong instruction. Night after night. The 10-second habit. Now here's what changes tonight. In the last 10 seconds before you close your eyes, think of one good thing from your day. Not 10 things, not a list, not a journal entry. One thing. A small win. A good conversation. A moment that made you smile. Something so simple, most people would overlook it. And then, don't just think it. Feel it. This is where most people fail. They say, I'm grateful for my family, and check it off. That doesn't work. Your brain is not moved by words. It is moved by emotion. So find the feeling. Let it sit in your chest for 10 seconds. The warmth, the quiet happiness, the relief of something real and good. 10 seconds. Eyes closed. No phone, no noise. Just that one feeling. That is your instruction to your brain for tonight. Your brain does not store life as events. It stores emotions. When you end your day with a genuine positive feeling, your brain registers one signal. This day had good in it. I am okay. I am safe. And it carries that signal into sleep. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories, strengthens emotional patterns, prepares your psychological state for tomorrow. So when you wake up, you're waking up from 8 hours of brain work, built on a foundation of calm. 2 people go to sleep tonight. One scrolls until their eyes close. Last feeling? Stress, comparison, anxiety. The other takes 10 seconds and genuinely feels something good. Last feeling? Warmth. Enough. Okay. Tomorrow morning, same alarm, same life, same world. One wakes up already behind. One wakes up already okay. Not because their circumstances are different, because their last 10 seconds were different. How to do it tonight. When you are ready to sleep, step 1, put your phone down, completely, face down, across the room, off. Step 2, close your eyes. Step 3, take 1 slow, deep breath. Step 4, find 1 genuine good thing from today, even something tiny. Step 5, feel it. Actually feel it. Let it sit in your chest for 10 full seconds. That's it. No app, no equipment, no complexity. Just 10 seconds of genuine feeling and consistency. Because once is interesting, twice is noticeable. Every night, and it rewires you. Your brain is always learning, even while you sleep, especially while you sleep. And right now, without realizing it, you've been giving it the wrong lesson every night. Stress, worry, comparison, fear. But tonight is different. Tonight, you know something most people never learn. You have control over that final moment, that 10-second window. And what you place inside it, your brain will build on all night. You don't wake up happy by accident. You wake up happy by design. And that design starts tonight. So tonight, don't scroll until your eyes close. Don't let stress be your final thought. Take 10 seconds, find 1 real thing, feel it, and let your brain do the rest. Because the smallest habits create the biggest shifts. And this one costs you nothing, takes 10 seconds, and changes how you wake up tomorrow. If this opened something in you, share it with 1 person who needs better mornings. And if you want weekly content that actually helps you understand your mind, hit subscribe. Because the life you want is built 1 night at a time. Tonight is the first one. Start now.